I thought I knew what Star Service did, and I was surprised. After I was with the company for probably a couple months, I had that aha moment. And it's like, man, I have never seen a contractor that goes in, refurbishes the equipment, brings it back up to standards, and keeps it from breaking like this company does. The industry as a whole is accustomed to being in a replacement mode. We have taken a different approach, which we believe removes the conflict of interest. So if you're going to be in the air conditioning business and you're going to be in the maintenance of the air conditioning systems, you should maintain them so they shouldn't fail. There's so many examples where our startup, our emphasis is getting the job up and going in the beginning of the contract has paid huge dividends for us and the customer. One example is a church in which we were pulling out all the hoses, and it was a long distance between the spigot and the units that needed to be serviced and cleaned. And the customer came out and asked, what are y'all doing? So we've got to have running water to really get in and go through these systems the way they should be done. He says, I've had a contract out here for the last 20 years. I've never seen them drag hoses through here to clean the units. But we do what we have to do to bring the systems up to speed, whatever that is, because the goal is to not get the call.